Hello, Mr.NET is here. Welcome to my next video. In this video I'm going to explain the abstract factory pattern. In the previous video I explained the factory method pattern, and in this video I want to explain the extension of the factory method pattern. To explain when we use the abstract factory, I create a diagram. We see an interface that allows us to create a product A and an interface which allows us to create a product B. And normally as a client I use a factory method to create a concrete product A and another factory method to create a concrete product B. And for example, I have more concrete products, a second product A that calls A2, and this is concrete product A1, and also the concrete product B has a second product called concrete product B2, and this is concrete product B1. Concrete product B2 implements also the interface I product B, and the concrete product A2 implements the interface product A. And it is possible that some products can only interact with other concrete products. For example, product A1 can only interact with concrete B1, and also concrete product A2 can interact with concrete product B2. And as a client I have to think about which concrete products I have to create. And to solve this problem I implement here an abstract factory, and the abstract factory returns not only one product type, it returns more than one product type. So the concrete factory 1 creates a concrete product A1 and also a concrete product B1. The concrete factory 2 allows me to implement a concrete product A2 and a concrete product B2. Now we look into the source code. For that I create a public interface called the product A, which has a method which returns me a string, and the name of the method is getName. Then I need the concrete classes, concrete product A underline 1, and this class implements the product A and also the method getName, and this method returns a string with the name product A1. Then I need a second class. This is also a concrete product, the number 2, and I also need the product B. So I create here the interface product B. This is concrete product B1, and this is concrete product B2, and the method returns here B2. So that my products, now I need a public interface abstract factory, and this factory allows me to create a product A, create product A, and also a product B. Then I need the concrete implementations, public class concrete factory number 1. This is because number 1, because it returns me the concrete product A1 or the concrete product B1. This class implements the abstract factory interface and returns me a new concrete product A1. This method returns me a new concrete product B1, and then I need a second concrete factory which returns me all concrete products with the number 2, so that my products and the abstract factory, I show it in the console. I have an abstract factory underline 1, which is a new concrete factory number 1. Then I have an abstract factory number 2, which is a concrete factory 2. And with these factories I can create my products. Product A1 is abstract factory 1, create product A. Then I create a product B1 with the method create product B with my factory number 1. The factory number 2 here creates the product A2 and the product B2. And now I write this into the console console.writeLine product A1 dot get name, and this method returns me the name of the class product A1, product A2, product B1 or product B2. Product 2, product B1, then I have product A2 and product B2. So I start the program. We see product A1, product B1, product A2 and product B2. This abstract factory 1 here creates the product A with number 1 and the product B with number 1, and the abstract factory 2 creates a product A with the number 2 and the product B with number 2. So that's it. That's the factory, the abstract factory pattern. I hope I explained it well. If you like it, please subscribe my channel so I can do more videos for you, and hopefully I see you in the next video. Bye!